Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm unboxing the BoxyCharm Premium box for October 2020. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. And also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Before we get started with the unboxing, I just want to take a few moments to remind you about my 1 month of YouTube giveaway. It's running through October 21st. I'll put a card up above so you can check it out if you haven't done it already. There's over $400 worth of beauty products in this giveaway. Hopefully there's something for everyone, so check it out if you haven't. Okay, the BoxyCharm Premium box for October 2020. BoxyCharm Premium is a monthly subscription box that costs $35 a month. And in each box, you receive 6 to 7 full-size beauty items, makeup, skincare, beauty tools. Each box has an average value, they say, of $215. Now, in order to subscribe to the BoxyCharm Premium box, you first have to be subscribed to the BoxyCharm Base box. That subscription is $25 a month. You receive 5 items with an average value of $175. Once you're subscribed to BoxyCharm's Base box, you can get on the wait list for the Premium box. Now, sometimes the wait list has gone as long as several months, but I can tell you from what I know right now, there is no wait. Literally within 24 hours after you put yourself on the wait list, you'll get in for the current month, or at least as of the day I'm filming this. Now, once you are subscribed for the Premium box and your payment has gone through, you can cancel your Base box, which would do the cancellation as of the following month. You don't have to get both, but you do have to first be subscribed to the Base box before you can get the Premium box. Now, the other possible upgrade to your BoxyCharm subscription is the Boxy Luxe, which is a quarterly box that is $49.99 with 8 or more beauty and lifestyle items with an average value, they say, of $395. In order to subscribe to Boxy Luxe, you first must be subscribed to the Boxy Base, and you have to keep that subscription because the Boxy Luxe actually replaces the Boxy Base box once a quarter. So you'll receive Base box for 2 months, and then the third month would be your Luxe, and then it goes back to Base for 2 months. Now, if you're only subscribed to the Premium box, you cannot get the Luxe box on its own in place of your Premium box. Now, if you're only subscribed to the Premium box, you cannot get your Luxe box every third month like you would with the Base box. It doesn't come in place of the Premium. It only works with the Base box. So you can either receive Base and Premium with once every 3 months you'll be getting Premium and Luxe, or you can just get your Base with the Luxe every 3 months, or just get your Base box, or just the Premium box. This one, again, as I said, is the Premium box, and when you open it up, you do see the blue interior. That tells us it's the Premium box. And each month there is a theme. We get a card that has the theme on it, and this month's theme is Candy Shop. And I thought it was really cute until I took a good look at the card and saw the bloody handprint. Not so cute anymore. So yeah, I'm a little, I don't know what to do with that. Also on the bottom, they do include a little save the date here that the pop-up sale, which happens once a quarter, will be, all access opens on November 10th. You have to be a member of one of the boxes in order to shop the pop-up sale. There are add-on sales every month, but then the pop-up sale happens once a quarter. And there are different items or different levels of discount. So pop-up sales are a great big deal. Add-ons are pretty amazing too, though. On the back of the card, we get a list of all the items that are in the box, along with a little description, their retail prices, and our variation number. My variation this month is number 7. I have never ever had a single digit variation number. Very excited. So let's go ahead and dig into the box and see what we've got. Okay, our first item is from Kosas, and it is the Kosas Sport Lip Fuel. And this is an ultra hydrating hyaluronic lip balm delivering advanced lip care powered by active botanicals that transports you to a sport state of mind. And let's see, I'd have to open it to do this. So it is inside the package. I'm not going to open it until I know whether or not I'm going to keep it or give it to someone else. It is available in 3 shades. We received the shade Baseline, which is the clear, and this retails for $18. The next item is from Audiography, and it is an eye pencil duo. There's the box. And they say these super smooth coconut oil infused pencils glide on without dragging at the delicate skin around the eye. Looks like mine's already been opened. These eye pencils are rigid enough to provide a clean, crisp line, yet can be easily smudged during application for a smoky effect. Available in 8 colors. They are only sold individually, so it's possible that this 2-pack was something that was done specifically for BoxyCharm, but I could only find them being sold individually. We got, like I said, a duo, and the colors are Onyx and Black Walnut. So Onyx, you know, black, and then a very dark brown. I'll show you the ends here. You can see the colors. Okay. Per Boxy, the retail on these, on the duo is $18. These are not sold as a duo, so if I'm going to calculate the way I calculate my prices using the price at which I could purchase these outside of a subscription box, 2 individual pencils at $14 each would actually be $28 for the duo. Okay, next is, this was my choice item this month. You do get to choose an item in your box every month. And this is also from Kosas, and this is Tinted Face Oil, a clean featherweight light coverage foundation and hydrating skin elixir. Oh, let's see if I can get it open. With application that takes as little as 10 seconds, the breathable formula even skin tone, minimizes pores, and erases imperfections while supporting skin health. It is available in 16 shades, and my shade is 01, which is the lightest. Big surprise. I did use the shade finder on the Sephora website to match up with some foundations that I've been shade matched to just to see, so I'm looking forward to trying that out. Don't remember what the other options were, or I would tell you. But anyway, this retails for $42. Okay, our next product is from Murad, and it is the Hydrating Toner. And this is an ultra hydrating alcohol-free toner that instantly balances skin's natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. Sodium PCA helps replenish lost moisture, while chamomile and cucumber extracts soothe the skin. And this retails for $35. The Murad Purple Label products I particularly enjoy, so I'm very happy to have a Murad product in there. Our next item is from Go-To Skincare, and it is Exfoliating Swipies. And just so you know I'm not making that up, hopefully you can read that, they are actually Swipies. These are single-use exfoliating pads soaked in an all-natural solution to get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. The well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of the AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and deeply moisturizes. And I like that peach. I'm not really a fan of peach usually, but it's a really pretty color container. And this is a foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin. And there are 50 pads in here. It retails for $35. And our last item is from Illuminati Cosmetics, and it is the Illuminati X Issa Eyeshadow Palette. Illuminati Cosmetics has collaborated with Isabel Bedoya for an ultra-versatile palette, creating evening glam look or perfect daytime look. Shades range from pastels to bright colors and neutrals. There's a look for every person. Just gonna grab something and open this. I'm not gonna swatch it because, you know, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or pass it along, but we'll open the plastic so we can get a look at it and see what it looks like. I don't know who Isabel Bedoya is. If anybody does, let me know down in the comments, because I am curious. Let's see, it doesn't show anything on the back about the shades, so let's open it up. Okay, and I'm just going to pull off the plastic for a moment so we can see. There is a mirror in there, but I'm going to fold that down. And here are the shades. Hopefully that's focusing. I can't see what the camera's doing because that's in front of me. So there are some really interesting shades. Some of these glitters are really interesting. This azul color is really, really cool. This 1996, I mean, it's yellow. I know it's not a color I use often, but it's interesting. I love this purple haze and the purple dream next to it. But I don't see myself using it enough to keep it. So I think this is one that's going to go into a giveaway. I do have some things planned beyond the giveaway that's going on now. So yeah, I think this one's going to go in giveaway, but it looks cool. There's a lot of good things, and if you like to do colorful looks, I think this would be really, really something that you might enjoy. So that's the box. We got the Illuminati Cosmetics Eyeshadow Palette. I don't know if I told you, it retails for $48. The Go-To Skincare Exfoliating Swipies. The Murad Hydrating Toner. The Kosas Tinted Face Oil Foundation. The Audiography Eye Pencil Duo. And the Kosas Sport Lip Fuel. Now, the subscription promises for a $35 box, 6 to 7 items with an average value of $215. I don't know that I've ever actually gotten 7. They say 6 to 7, but it's usually 6. If you've ever gotten 7, let me know. But anyway, so we got 6 items. They say average value of $215. My calculation on this, with the cost that I could purchase these Audiography Duo, brings it to $206. If I took their prices on it, it's $196, still pretty good for a $35 box. Unfortunately, not a box I'm terribly excited about. I'm kind of meh. I'm not really excited about this box. I'm kind of bummed. Black and dark brown eyeliner. I've already got plenty of those, and I don't use eyeliner much anymore. I tend to use a shadow to line my eyes unless I'm doing something really bold, or if I'm not doing eyeshadow at all, sometimes I'll throw a little eyeliner in along with the mascara. I'm always up for trying a new foundation because I'm always looking for holy grails. So, I mean, that one's okay, and I'm glad I was able to pick my shade. And that was $42, so that paid for the box. A lip balm. In the winter, I guess I'll be happy that I have another one, but I've got a lot of lip balms that are colored, and this is just a plain white one. This one to me is not makeup. It's just, fancy chapstick. Sorry. And in the winter, yeah, maybe I'll enjoy it, but, wearing masks a lot more, so I'm not likely to be getting wind chapped, and I, frankly don't leave the house much. But, I'm sure somebody will use it. The Murad, I'm interested to try because I haven't tried this. I have tried other Murad products and I'm happy with it, but, the Swipies, I'm trying to get away from disposable products, so it's a cool idea, but eh. And you know, the palette, I'm sure somebody will love it. It just doesn't excite me. So yeah, I'm kind of like meh about this box. And what do you think? Did you get, let me know what you got in your box. What you think of my box was, am I being a little too hard on it this month? I'm like, it's just, you know, we got the only real cosmetic-y kind of fun item to me is the palette, which didn't do much for me. I don't, you know, black and brown eyeliner and, you know, skincare, and then a foundation that I wasn't looking to try. I'll try it because I've got it, but it's not one that I was like, oh, I want to try that. So let me know what you think. You know, would you have been happy if you got these items in your box? Am I being too hard on it? Is it just because I've got a cold and I'm a little cranky that I'm not being fair with my box? So leave any comments down in the comment section, and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't done it already. Be sure to check out that video with my giveaway if you haven't done that already. And also there's another video with some important information about how to make sure that you are entered properly for the giveaway. So double check that one as well. Thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.